You are stuck with the Dr. Doom Rift event error after the latest update, but we are going to fix that right now by tackling the most common causes. This persistent Dr. Doom Rift event error can be incredibly frustrating, but thankfully resolving it is usually quite straightforward. First, we need to ensure your Dr. Doom Rift game files are in perfect order. This is done by verifying their integrity through your game launcher, which checks for any corrupted or missing data that might be causing the Dr. Doom Rift error. If that first step doesn't clear the error, the issue usually stems from temporary data getting corrupted, which brings us to method 2, clearing the Dr. Doom Rift event cache. This removes old temporary files that can conflict with the new update. If the error persists, it's often related to network services not properly resetting after the update. So for method 3, we'll restart both the game's specific network services and your computer's network adapter to ensure a clean connection for the Dr. Doom Rift event. Finally, outdated graphics drivers are a frequent culprit for many game errors, especially after an update. So for our last method, we'll update your Dr. Doom Rift graphics drivers to the latest version, which often smooths out performance and resolves these kinds of persistent issues.